Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online session Biology, Nature and Scope. In this video, we are going to discuss about the assessment 2 from this chapter. We have studied different branches of biology, institutes of biology, nature and scope of biology. So let us go through with the assessment 2. The branch of biology that deals with the study of DNA and heredity. What is heredity? How DNA gets passed down from one generation to the next. It is known as ecology, reproduction, genetics, evolution. So it is the genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variation. Next, the study of reptiles and amphibians. Reptiles and amphibians. Oceanography, taxonomy, botany, herpetology. So different branches having different names of study. So the study of reptiles and amphibians is called herpetology. Serpentology, it is the study of snakes. Okay, so special, so combined reptiles and amphibians together studied under the herpetology. Next, the study of insects. Zoology, paleontology, microbiology, entomology. So zoology is the study of animals, paleontology is the study of fossils, microbiology is the study of microorganisms. So here entomology is the study of insects. As we know that the insects are the largest group of animal kingdom. Okay, entomology is the study of insects. Suhasini works in a lab that manipulates DNA strands. So what branch of science is she studying? Microbiology, biology, biochemistry, ecology. So microbiology is the study of microorganisms. Biology is the study of living organisms. Biochemistry is the study of chemical aspects of living organisms. Okay, so DNA is a macromolecule. So ecology is the study of living organisms in relation to environment. So here biochemistry. Next, which branch of biology involves a medical doctor performing surgery on a person's broken arm? Broken arm surgery. So anatomy and physiology, zoology, ecology, microbiology. Once again, zoology, ecology and microbiology are related to other subjects, but anatomy and physiology. Anatomy means study of internal structures. Physiology means study of functional aspects. So they together, anatomy and physiology. A doctor doing surgery. Which branch of biology involves a scientist studying how animals in the Amazon are affected by the forest fire? Which branch of biology involves a scientist studying how animals in the Amazon are affected by the forest fire? Anatomy and physiology, zoology, ecology and microbiology. So which one? Ecology, because ecology is the relation between the organisms and their environment. So forest fire is related to the environment is affected. How the organisms are affected with that forest fire. So it is ecology. Next, which of the following scientific method steps require a researcher to form a prediction? Question, hypothesis, data collection, conclusion. So prediction means hypothesis. Okay. Finally, to form the prediction based on the hypothesis. The study of spores and pollen, mycology, pteridology, palynology, synecology. So here palynology is the subject which deals with the spores and pollen grains of plants. Next, the cultivation of garden plants. Cultivation of garden plants. It is related with plant propagation, plant breeding, agronomy, horticulture. So it is the horticulture is the branch dealing with the cultivation of garden plants. Who is known as father of Indian paleontology? Indian paleontology, that is Indian paleobotany. Indian paleobotany. What is paleobotany? It's the study of plant fossils. Lalji or Mishra, Birbal Sahani, Dhanvantri. So here Birbal Sahani is the Indian father of Indian paleobotany. Next, the Central Rice Research Institute is located in Central Rice Research Institute, Orissa, Karnataka, Haryana, New Delhi. It is located in Orissa. Central Rice Research Institute, where research on rice crop can be done. Next, so here column 1, column 2 are there. You have to match the column 1 with column 2. In column 1, phycology, physiology, histology, protozoology, and in the column 2, study of algae, study of functional aspects, study of tissues, and study of protozoans are given. So you have to match and select the codes given under. Phycology, it is the study of algae. Physiology, it is a study of functional aspects. Histology, study of tissues. Protozoology, study of protozoans. So PQRS, the right option is option C. Next, another matching set. In the column 1, mycology, ornithology, herpetology, ichthyology is given. In the column 2, study of fungi, study of birds, study of snakes, and study of fishes. So here mycology is the study of fungi. Ornithology, study of birds. Herpetology, study of snakes. Ichthyology is the study of fishes. So once again, PQRS. Next. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel for receiving latest updates. You please press the bell icon.